Okay, now that we have our p-value, what I want to do is create my rejection region. And so I guess I need to have that all fit in there. So the rejection region, what I want to know is where 5% is out to the right. My alpha equal 0.05. So I want to calculate that. And so what I'll do is I will sum, just like I did for the p-value, but I'm going to sum, and I'm going to start there and actually finish there. But now what I'm going to do is on the second address here, I'm going to toss in a $sign, and I could put it on both. It's mostly just important on the 38, the row number. So I put in a $sign that says that's not going to change, but the 38 here at the beginning will. And so I enter, and notice I get the same number there. But if I grab that now and pull it up, what it's doing is it's summing, and if I pull it all the way up, let's see, so I'll go here again, and if I pull it all the way to there, notice I get the same answer because I did the same sum. I summed that much, 28 to 38. But I don't want all that. I only want to go until I get to the biggest number less than 5%. Well, 14% is bigger than 5%, 7% is bigger than 5%. And so all of these numbers from 25 to 33 are in the rejection region. Any of those, had I done the same p-value idea, any of those would have produced a p-value less than 5%. And so that's what I wanted to do here, was just get those numbers up to 5%. And again, well, so it stopped at 3.75% because the next one was too big. Okay. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to fill in zeros here. Now if I do this and I grab it and I try to pull down, it doesn't work so well. However, if I put 2 zeros in a row and highlight both of them and then pull down, I get zeros. Or another thing I could do is I could just copy that 0 and highlight down to the top of there, and then paste and get zeros that way. So somehow I just need to fill in all zeros above here, and the reason I want to do that is that I want to get my I want to make a nice picture of this. Okay, and so I need zeros on everything there. And again, though, the important part was I did that sum and I dragged it up until I got to 5%, and I got rid of things that I didn't need. So again, see, if I had kept going, I could have gone like that and went, oh wait, no, those are all too big, and come back and highlighted those and deleted those, and put in my zeros that way. So but somehow I want to get zeros all in there. And at the same point, probably the thing to do here is, now that we're going to make a picture, is go ahead and fill in zeros at the top of this. Now, again, this is one way to do it. is the way I did that. But you know, another thing I could do is I could just come down here, highlight all of that to there, and say copy, and then click in here and say paste, and get all my zeros in there. And then again here, actually I probably want to do that same summing thing here all the way up. So I you know, the first video I did was just to see that p-value, okay? But to make a nice picture, I'm going to want to sum this up, but we'll do that in the next video. So this video, we created that rejection region. We found it by doing our fancy little sum formula here with the dollar signs on the bottom and not on the top, and just pulling it up and finding where our biggest number smaller than 5% was. So this tells me my rejection region here, and so that's how we get it, and we will make a nice picture in the next video.